Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Peppa Pig, Grampy Rabbit's Boatyard. It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa, George and Granny Pig are going out with Grandpa Pig on his boat. Ahoy there, Peppa and George, shouts Grandpa Pig. I'll move the boat a bit nearer. Be careful. You don't hit that big stick, Grandpa, says Peppa. That's a mooring post, replies Grandpa Pig. I won't hit it. Grandpa Pig's boat hits the post. Grandpa, there's a big hole in your boat, cries Peppa. Crash! Oh. Oh dear, Grandpa Pig's boat is sinking. A captain never leaves his sinking ship, says Grandpa Pig. The boat sinks to the bottom of the river. Abandon ship, Captain. Grandad Dog arrives on his boat. I'm taking my boat to the boatyard today, he says. Would you mind taking mine too? Asks Grandpa Pig. Of course, replies Grandad Dog. Where's your boat? I'm standing on it, says Grandpa Pig sadly. Grandad Dog's truck lifts the boat out of the water. Next stop, the boatyard, says Grandad Dog. What is a boatyard? Asks Peppa. A boatyard is where broken boats get mended, says Granny Pig. The truck arrives at Grampy Rabbit's boatyard. Ahoy there, me hearty, bellows Grampy Rabbit. What happened to your boat, Grandpa Pig? Someone drove it into a mooring post, says Grandpa Pig. Can you mend it? Of course, says Grampy Rabbit. Vroom. Grampy Rabbit examined the hole in Grandpa Pig's boat. I need to find something to patch it up, says Grampy Rabbit. Grampy Rabbit collects scrap metal. He uses it to mend boats. Grampy Rabbit has lots of scrap metal. He has used some of it to build a submarine. It fills up with water, says Grampy Rabbit, so it's very good at going down, but not so good at coming back up. Grampy Rabbit finds an old washing machine. Now this is what I've been looking for, he says. You're going to mend my boat with a bit of old washing machine, asks Grandpa Pig. Yes, says Grampy Rabbit. Grampy Rabbit covers up the hole with an old piece of metal. There, good as new, he says. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Now we test it, says Grampy Rabbit. Everyone goes back to the river with Grandpa Pig's boat. It floats, cries Grampy Rabbit. Usually they sink on the first go. Now we can go for our day on the river, says Peppa. Grampy Rabbit plays his banjo and everyone sings as the boat bops up and down. Quack, 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 quack. Twang. TN. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time, and go ahead and check out the Peppa Pig playlist.